Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional. This is the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 16th, 2025. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars Sudoku. We have here 4 stars Sudoku, two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. And the first one I will do is the 3 star Sudoku. 3 star Sudoku number 9916. 9916. 9916. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. That's a lot for 3 stars. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. That's my time limit. Question is this a 0 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. Two. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the second column. So the first column, no, only place level 7. Should be there. 6, okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 7. We have 3 and a 7 in this last column, so no 3 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. The only place level 6 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in the last column are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. 2 and 8. No, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Then let me see. How about I need 8 here? Yeah. Well, in this row, the third row, I need a 2. Well, these 3 boxes can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, or there. Well, we see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Another 2 in this column, no 2 there. Only place level 2 should be here. So the 4 and the 8 are left. 4 and 8, okay. No 2 here, okay. Then 6, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wait. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 6 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have 8 and 9 in this row, third row. So no 8 and 9 in these 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 9 goes and there. 9, 9. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7. That means 2 missing numbers now in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. 5, 5. Okay, and now. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this row. Second row, so no 7 in these two boxes, so 1 box left with the 7 in this big square should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. Then 2 missing numbers. Wait, 4 and 8. This will be difficult, okay. 4 and 8, we have an 8 now in this row, so no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need an 8 here. Yeah, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the last row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 6 here. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, 6, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then, need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Need a 7 here. Come on. Need a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 supposed to be there. 1, 9, and need a 5 here. Yeah, I need a 5 here. Yeah. Need 7 there. 7 there. Come on. 9, 5, and 4. I'm thinking. Need a 5 here. No 5. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. The 5 could be here, could be there. Interesting. 5 in this column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left. 5 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 5, here we have a 5. That means in the last row, the only place left 5 should be there then. Yeah, because here can be 5, we have 5 in the first column. Here can be 5, we have 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, no 5 there. Only place left 5 in the last row should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Then, what 5 and a 4. 5 and a 4. Yeah. 9. 9. Okay. So I need a 5 here, and I need a 1, 9, and then need a 8 there. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 supposed to be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in this row. No 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left should be the 6. Should be there. 6, 6, 6, correct. Need a 6 there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 9. Then 1, 4, 7. Need 3 there. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left 4 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left 5 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. Then need a 9 here, need a 9 there. 1 and a 9. 1 9 in the need a 8. 8. Yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 and a 9. 1 9 in the 7 here. 5 and the 4. Come on. This is taking too long. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only place left the 4, it should be there. 3 and a 4, we have 4 now in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left the 4 should be here, so the other 2 numbers should be there. 1 and a 7. 1 and the 7, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now in this row, so this can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 and the 9, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 14 minutes. Wow. 0 stars. Yeah. Now, we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, Bye bye for now.